So with all content now, I have to have a section where I talk about tilde. So in the event that you are drawing a box or a shape and you press tab, you can press tilde and you can get this interesting pie that's actually built into Blender. This isn't made by us. And you can use it to adjust your view, and I just want it to be known that we actually do support it. However, there's also additional functions to tilde associated with BoxCutter, and they've also been associated with functions on the keyboard for those who don't have tilde on the keyboard, which is the purpose of this segment. I'm going to hold shift and click this to shift it to live, and I'm going to tab into edit mode, and we're just going to bevel this one edge so it looks more interesting. And we're going to draw another shape, and we'll shift it to live, and I'm just going to add a loop cut with Control R, and we'll just extrude this face, and we'll pull this edge backwards to make it more interesting. So now we actually have, two interesting shapes to recall, So we draw this shape, and let's say that we press C in order to recall this shape. You can press Shift tilde in order to basically rotate this shape inside. This is what we call rotate shape inside, or rotate inside. We keep the bounds of the shape drawn, but we rotate the shape that's being fed 90 degrees. So it's a lot different than actually taking the shape and rotating it 90 degrees like so, which is what would happen if we pressed R and then moved the mouse a little bit and rotated it. This is a lot different than what I'm talking about when you press Shift tilde. In addition to the hotkey of Shift tilde, there's the alternative of Shift R. So if you're a non-tilde user, just know that Shift R is there for you, because I have received quite a few emails about this. I just want you to know that we definitely care about those who do not have tildes on their keyboard. This pie doesn't belong to us, so I don't know what to tell you there, but when it comes to rotating a shape inside, which comes in handy in very certain scenarios, you may want to also try Shift R. Shift R is a universal reset hotkey at this time. It will reset your array if your array distance is out of control. It will also rotate your shape inside if you're dealing with a situation where you need to rotate your shape inside.